Hey everybody, so a lot of you have been asking me to do a review on the best mini drone you can get on Amazon for under $50. Well, I have been working on a list for a few weeks now and I found a few drones that will be great for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the best mini drones you can get on Amazon under $50. Let's get started. All the links of the mini drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's take a look. In at number 5, the best mini drone is HolyStone HS190 Foldable Mini Nano RC Drone. The air pressure altitude hold function lets you let the throttle stick go and the drone in the air at the same altitude. The mini quadcopter is folded into a controller which is lightweight and light to transport. The drone hovers automatically at a certain altitude after the takeoff and prior to landing, making it simple for you to maneuver and control, particularly for novices who aren't quite skilled. The drone is equipped with the headless mode as well as a one-key return feature. It allows players of any level to fly and control it easily. Press this button when in headless mode and the drone will return home to the user. This drone is equipped with a high-speed rotation system. It is a new and exciting feature. The drone can make 360 degrees as well as fly at high speed and give you an unforgettable and thrilling experience. You can connect it to an adapter or computer to charge it. If you're outdoors, you could join it with the remote for charging it. Propellers are default locked. After unlocking propellers, they will start spinning, which could stop children from getting the drone started accidentally. In at number 4, the best mini drone is HolyStone HS210 RC Mini Drone. The drone is able to perform toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation, and all children are in love. Speed can be altered according to the pilot's flight skill. This altitude hold function allows it to hover at a fixed height without a problem. In headless mode, it is possible to fly with directions that are dependent on the location of the pilot and provide a safe fly experience for beginners, kids, and newbies, for example. It comes with 3 batteries that can extend the flight time. It can fly for up to 21 minutes. Don't be deceived by a battery that is dead or waiting for it to recharge. Also, the battery's power is low. The alarm is a way to avoid any damage or loss caused by battery power issues. Propellers are protected by protection guards, which shield children from propellers spinning and shields drones from harm. Altitude hold enables the drone to hover at current height even when your hands are off the controller. Under headless mode, the front is always where you face. Tell directions with ease. Motors stop running when hitting obstacles, which can protect motors from burning out. This buddy will bring players lots of enjoyment everywhere. Whether it's for a party at school, fishing, hiking, or long trips, and more. Definitely a great birthday, Christmas, holiday gift for kids or friends. In at number 3, the best mini drone is DeeRC D20 Mini Drone. D20 comes with a 720-pixel HD Wi-Fi camera for more aerial pictures and videos. With the FPV technology, you can observe the sky through a live video feed using the smartphone app. Fly D20 is a breeze to use. You just need to hit one of the buttons, one key start or landing, to begin the flight. Altitude hold can maintain the drone at a particular altitude, which makes it a breeze to control and shoot excellent quality photos. Features include a low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards that ensure safety during flight. 2 rechargeable and powerful batteries can last as long as 20 minutes of battery life, ensure safety, and allow you to fly for longer. By pushing the sticks backward, you can make an impressive 360-degree flip. Sketching a flight plan on your phone, the drone will then fly in accordance with the course, adding fun to your flights. Let you control the drone by simple voice messages such as takeoff and landing. Make a V or palm directly into the front camera. The drone will automatically take pictures or videos, great for selfies. In at second place, the best mini drone is HolyStone HS340 Mini FPV Drone. Let your children or friends know how to do tricks such as throw to go, circle fly, high-speed rotation, and 3D flips, whereas other mini drones won't. Take advantage of these tricks indoors and out. You can command the FPV drone by using the camera and follow the route you sketch in the app's interface at your own discretion. Use simple phrases such as takeoff, landing, then the drone will take the same actions. In addition, if you place a V-shaped sign or palms in front of the camera, the mini drone will snap photos or videos great for selfies. It's possible to let your hands go to snap pictures as the drone is capable of hovering firmly all by itself. A single key for start and landing and headless modes assure you of ease of use. The flying experience has never been easier for anyone who is just starting out. It is equipped with advanced image processing. The camera captures stunning 720-pixel videos and then sends the real-time images back to the application interface. Capture amazing moments throughout the day. The propeller's guards, the fuselage design, and the emergency stop feature have offered protection for the drone and the pilot from abrupt shock or a flight away. 2 specially designed modular batteries give you to fly for 20 minutes time and endless fun that are easy to change and are safer to charge. Security is the top priority for us. The HS340 drones are designed for children ranging from 8 to 12 years with cameras. The drone is designed for children and comes with altitude hold and an emergency stop. One key to start or land as well as a headless mode that can be easily controlled by youngsters and those who are new to the hobby. HS340 is a nice option for you. HS340 is a mini drone for kids that is suitable for outdoor and indoor flights and will provide you with a thrilling experience every time. HS340 quadcopter is the perfect companion to have the best time with you. And at number 1, the best drone is Sanrock U61 WRC mini drone. In headless mode, the drone is able to fly according to the direction of the right control stick, regardless of the location of the drone's tail or head. If you remove it from the left stick and the drone will automatically be suspended at an altitude. In the event of an emergency, you can press the takeoff and land buttons and stop the drone immediately in order to prevent loss. Drones that have propeller blades enclosed can greatly reduce the chance of injury as your child is learning the ropes of drone flight. They also protect the propellers and reduce the requirement to replace propellers due to accidents. If the propeller rotates rapidly but does not take off, turn the left and right stick by 45 degrees simultaneously to secure the motor. The propeller ceases to rotate, after which you can press the takeoff button and the drone will begin to take off. This drone comes with a 720-pixel HD camera and a 90-degree wide-angle real-time FPV transmission. It lets you capture memorable moments with no distortion, and see real-time images on your mobile device. The photos are automatically saved to the photo album, and you are able to easily share them via social media. Children and beginners can learn abilities in aerial photography and piloting simultaneously. It can demonstrate flying skills, variable speed of flight, custom routes, gravity induction, and more. The adjustable 3-speed flight can satisfy the requirements of various users who want speed. Connected to mobile via Wi-Fi, you are able to alter the flight path through the app and regulate the direction of the drone using the smartphone's gravitation sensor. This cool trick will delight your friends. With spare propellers and 2 rechargeable batteries. If the propeller is damaged or gets damaged, you can change it on your own. Every drone comes with 2 batteries. If you require additional batteries, you can buy the batteries on their own. The company offers a warranty of 12 months. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.